Most people think making more money is the secret to getting rich. But the truth is, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Today, we're exposing the 7 money habits that are secretly keeping you poor, and exactly how you can break them to start building real wealth in 2026. Habit 1. Paying yourself last. Paying yourself last. Most people pay their bills, buy groceries, and then save what's left. The wealthy do the opposite. They save a percentage first and live on the rest. Flip the script. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings the moment you get paid. Habit 2. Lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep. As soon as people get a raise, they buy a bigger car or a more expensive phone. This keeps you on a hamster wheel. Instead, keep your expenses low even as your income grows and invest the difference. Habit 3. Fear of investing. Keeping all your money in a savings account. With inflation, your money is losing value every day. You need to put your money to work in assets like stocks, real estate, or index funds. Don't work for money. Let your money work for you. Habit 4. Buying things to impress others. Buying liabilities to look rich. Real wealth is silent. If you're buying designer clothes or cars on credit just for the likes on social media, you're building someone else's empire while destroying your own. Conclusion and call to action. Breaking these habits isn't easy, but it is necessary. Which one of these are you struggling with the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you want more tips on mastering your finances, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.